Tesla agrees to pay $1.5 million to settle a battery throttling lawsuit. $625 per vehicle owner. What is this? So they were doing this for what purpose? The software update, which was released in 2019, resulted in slower charging speed and diminished range for around 1,743 vehicles, the plaintiffs alleged. This amount is many times the prorated value of the temporary reduced maximum voltage. So these people were having a slower charge and a diminished range. Lawyers for the owners said they conducted an investigation that found the voltage limitation was temporary. 10% reduction. Wonder how these people notice and keep good track of that.
I guess with routine. Charging, driving to work. Same route every day.
Then you had a corrective update released in March. The second update, the vehicle's voltage showed steady restoration over time. So it wasn't a hardware-related issue. It was something to do with the software update. That's very interesting. I guess it's happened in the past, too. I mean, you really wonder, is it just an optimization thing where they're making these tweaks because it's kind of like how Apple was doing it at one point. Remember on older phones, they were having the thing shut down. Instead, they were prioritizing performance over battery life.
Yeah.
You wonder if there's some aspect of that, but customers always get upset because they're like, well, if that's what you're doing, then tell me give me an option.
Yeah. I think the main thing is transparency here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Before optimization.